What a view, huh? I gotta say, for this being probably one of our least remote places we've ever camped, it's probably got one of the best views. All right, guys, welcome to our home here on the Minnesota River. We're gonna be here for the next 24 hours experiencing this river and the surrounding area, including historic Carver. I'm so excited because we're gonna start the adventure off by paddling in the river. Rylie is meeting me here to pick me up and take me 8 miles upstream, where I'm gonna put the kayak in the water and paddle all the way back here to the cabin. It's gonna be great. Here's Rye. Can't wait to see what she thinks of the cabin.
I'm sore. It was leg day a couple days ago, guys.
Yeah, she's a little sore.
Oh, this is so great!
Isn't this cool?
All right, next date, we're gonna do this together.
Sounds good.
We are gonna go on the kayaks and do this. This is incredible.
It's gonna be great.
And you know what? You guys, you know what the best part of all is? No bugs.
I know.
No bugs.
Isn't that great? There are no bugs at all.
You can actually enjoy.
All right, next time I see the cabin, it's gonna be from down there in the river. It's crazy how we're just in farm country right now. Not the typical place we take the cabin, I'll say that.
Where are you going?
We go down to Carver.
Oh yeah, us too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we started in Henderson 2 days ago.
Oh nice.
Yeah. We just been kind of camping out along the way on the sand banks and stuff.
Nice. Oh man, that's sick.
Catching a whole lot of species.
That's so awesome. Yeah, I'm camping in Carver, so.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is it. Everything is pumped up. I got some water. I've got a dry bag here with some other camera stuff. I'll put my phone and whatnot in there. Of course, I got a life jacket and got our paddle.
All right, have fun.
Will do. I'll see you a little later tonight.
Enjoy.
All right, love you. Bye.
Love you.
So the main thing that you want to do when you're out on the river is avoid getting caught up in stuff like this. Trees, any sort of thing that is down in the river is a hazard. And if you get snagged in it, it can pin you to where you can easily drown. So our only real danger on this trip is stuff like that, which is fairly easy to avoid. We might have a bald eagle up here, right in the middle of the river. Yeah, he is. Look at that guy. Whoa, what a beautiful bird. Holy cow. That is unbelievable. I've never been this close to an eagle before. There he goes. There's another one. Second one up there. And this is where he was sitting, right on this. And here comes the other one again. That is so incredibly cool. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. This sand here is like really, really spongy. Look how your foot just kind of like, whoa, sinks in. I wish you could swim in here. I looked it up and they do not recommend it. Otherwise, you know I'd be taking a dip right now. What do you say we close this thing out? All right, we have reached Carver. There's the downtown right there. And that means that the cabin is very close. There she is. There's the cabin. Wow. Oh, how epic to paddle all the way down this river, 8 miles, back to the cabin. Oh, that's so cool. What an awesome and unique adventure. Haha! We made it. Home sweet home. A lot of times, you know, we take views for granted and we just think of them as just like, you know, something pretty to look at. But when you experience the thing that you're looking at, like, you know, we did today by paddling down this river, you just forge such a deeper connection.
Hello.
Welcome to my home.
You know what's great about places like this, Carver, is it's a river town, and it really feels like it. It's different than regular towns around here. They're farming communities around here, and this you can tell just by the buildings that you walk past downtown. It's the people that started off here were different. I mean, they were right along the river. It's just like out in Ohio or Pennsylvania, some of the river towns, or West Virginia even, you know.
Yeah. No, it totally.
There's something
feels
about
like
them. You know it when you're there.
All right, so we are headed into downtown Carver quick to grab a bite to eat.
I love downtown Carver.
It's so cool.
It's really cute.
Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is open. It said it wasn't open on Thursdays.
Can we go over there?
I don't know.
Looks fun.
All right, headed back to the cabin. Home sweet home. Jeez, this is so awesome. I seriously love this. Like, here we are, another place, sitting on this porch, and we're together.
Yeah. You're so sweet. I don't want you to go.
I want to see you, Daddy, before we go.
Yeah, come here.
You guys, she continues to just like show more and more of her personality every single day. She's just so smiley, and me and her have bonded just so much.
Yeah, I don't see her smile with anybody more than with Jack. It's pretty sweet.
It's sweet. We have fun.
She smiles more with Jack than with her own mommy.
No.
Yeah.
No.
But I love it.
All right, I'll see you guys first thing in the morning.
All right. Have a good time. Wish
Yeah.
we could stay with you.
I know, me too. All right, love you. Bye. Might have to put some pants on. I'll be right back. What an incredible day. Man. Another one for the books. And this fire, it's just incredible. Okay, you guys, so I have this bug zapper going right now, which, as you can hear, it's doing its job. Look at how many bugs are being attracted to the window. Are you kidding me? What in the world? This I expected, you know, a few up there, that makes sense. This? No. I may have to turn this thing off just to get these jokers out of here. Look at this. You guys, Minnesota, it's a crazy place. Morning. What a place to wake up, huh? So the plan for the morning is after we finish the coffee, we're gonna head down towards where the boat launch is. There's a trail there that makes its way through the woods and actually connects Carver here to another town downriver. But what I'm excited for is there's a lake that's back there. If you take a look, we are in the Minnesota Valley National Wildlife Refuge. The trail starts here and it's gonna make its way through, I think, the woods. There's a slough off to the right that we'll look for. And then Chaska Lake is up here as well. And then this is Chaska Athletic Park. So I don't know if we'll make it all the way there. I kind of hope so. I think it's about 2 miles. That's really not bad on our bike. So we should have a good shot at it. Man. Look at these trees. We gotta stop here. This is amazing. These 2 trees here are enormous. I can't even wrap my arms around a quarter of this thing. My fist is like the size of one of the grooves on this tree. Got another one right there. How beautiful that tree is. And then you can see another one back there, which is enormous as well. Man, we barely got going and already we're seeing some incredible stuff. So right now we are riding directly on the shore of the river. And looks like we're getting into some thicker vegetation. Whoa, looks like we have another massive tree up here. This thing looks like a redwood. Can you believe this? This tree is so old. I want to say this thing has to be, I don't know, maybe 300 years old, maybe more. I don't know. I don't know how fast these trees grow, but this thing is old. Oh, I think we found Chaska Lake. Look at that swan. Oh my gosh, 2 swans. Holy cow. Here's the other gate. We made it to the end of the trail. Yes, we did. We made it to the end of the trail. So this is Chaska Athletic Park off to the right there. Just a good old fashioned ballpark. Man, it doesn't get more American than this, you guys. Mowing the grass, getting ready for tonight's game. Pretty cool. All right, that's gonna do it for the video. Thank you guys so much for coming along. I'm blown away by this place. Who knew that something so close to home could be so full of adventure, awe and wonder, and surprises around every corner? I mean, paddling the river was a full-blown adventure. And then riding this morning on the trail, seeing the lake, and then being able to make our way through downtown Carver to cap it off was just incredible. Oh, and let's not forget about the views outside the cabin. I'm speechless. As always, I want to thank everyone who's supporting us on Patreon. If you want to support us that way, you can do so by following the link in the description of this video. There's some amazing perks, and we're building a really cool little community there. So if you want to do that, I encourage you to check it out. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.